really cheery here. I'm probably saying, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordy. If you don't know me, blah, 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 blah. But none of the audio recorded. And I'm really, really upset because I think I was being extra funny. I probably wasn't actually being extra funny, but I'm really sad that the audio didn't record, especially because I filmed this video because I was feeling so shitty. And I spent the whole morning crying, hence why I decided to be blue. This is a recreation of a look that I did in 2016. I'll pop some photos in for you guys to see, and I'll also add a little card so you guys can watch the old tutorial. I did not watch my old tutorial. I can't watch my own stuff because I find it incredibly, incredibly cringy. So first I'm starting with a base of my BH Naturally Flawless foundation in the shade Ivory. The reason I put on foundation and concealer first is so that I have a nice base under the blue powder and it's nice and even and really blue. I wanted to use my Kat Von D Whiteout Lock-It Concealer, but I couldn't find it because my desk is a disaster. So I used the white concealer from BH Cosmetics and also mixed it with my Model's Own concealer in the shade Light. Now I gotta blend all this out with a beauty blender. Look how clean it is. I cleaned it for you guys. It's all bright pink, fresh, and beautiful. I don't even mind doing voiceovers. It's just the fact that I already talked about every single product and explained what I'm doing and it didn't record and now I'm doing it again. I just am really bitter and I'm sorry. At least I can blame Mercury. Mercury? Mercury retrograde. Oh my god. Now I'm going to set all of this base with Lock-It Translucent Powder by Kat Von D because if I don't put powder on top of this and then I go straight in with the blue powder, it's going to kind of mix with the foundation and get really gross and muddy. And also, when I downloaded this song, I did not realize it was so country. I wish I knew what I was talking about because watch this smug ass grin. I bet about half the time that I sit in front of my camera, I'm actually just searching for the makeup products that I want to use. Where are you? It took me so long to find this eyeshadow. This is the Home Sweet Home Single Pressed Eyeshadow by Sugar Pill, and I'm going to use it on my whole face. What kind of bird is always sad? A blue jay. I swallowed a lot of blue food coloring. I think I'll be okay, but I do feel like I've died a little inside. What's blue and not very heavy? Light blue. I bet you're all on the floor right now, absolutely dying of laughter. Me too. I'm not crying, you're crying. To add some depth so I'm not just a flat blue face, I'm going to use the NYX single eyeshadow in Hot Blue. Just contouring as I normally would using my rose gold Furless Cosmetics It's Likely makeup brushes and turning them all blue. I also grabbed a little bit of the dark blue shade from the Kat Von D Divine palette called Flamingos just to add a little bit of extra depth and darkness. On to the brows, I'm using my Anastasia Dip Brown Ebony just to kind of match my old look, my old sad blue girl. I went with the Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette for this look because I want it to be a little bit more glam than Blue Girl Round 1. I started with burnt orange in the crease in sort of a cat eye shape and then made it darker with sienna and then made it darker again with mulberry. Then I added a cut crease with the white concealer from BH Cosmetics. Then using the light blue shimmery shade from the Sugar Pill Little Twin Stars palette with my favorite tool, my broken nail fingertip. I also added some sienna shadow from the Soft Glam palette to the outer corner. I felt like the lid needed a little bit of extra something something, so I added some cream shadow by LA Splash in Poise, and then I stuck some glitter also by LA Splash on top, and it is called Between the Sheets.
Remember Starbucks.
Would you guys still like me if that was really my voice? I don't think my mom was even surprised when I answered the door. And I was blue. I smoked out the lower lash line using the same shades as I did in the crease. To highlight, I used the Aurora Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I used the really, really light, kind of pale silvery shade and the blue shade, and this was my favorite part of the whole tutorial. It's so magical. Next up, I added some ginormous wings with my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Troopers so that I could fly away from these horrible last few days. Mascara on the top lashes and the bottom lashes. This is the Grand Master Lash Mascara by Model's Own. Now we're gonna get lashy. These are Rouge and Rogue lashes in Slayer. And then on the bottom, I chopped up these Lit Fly super sweet lashes from Yes Style. Just cut out those little triangles and glued them all on. Individual lit. Oh god. Look, she knows I'm having a hard time. She knows. Just breathe. For my pretty extra freckles, I used a mix of Rustic and Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette. The lips are Rock Liquid Lipstick by Milk Cosmetics, and it's so pretty and comfortable and lovely and amazing. After I put on my super cute wig from Yes Style, I realized that my little devil horn headband matched my lipstick perfectly, and I had to wear them with this look. This is the part where I thank you guys for watching my video and remind you to subscribe and say that I hope I see you in the next one. So thank you guys for watching, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.